I'm Jeff Bivens. I'm the Chief Justice of the Tennessee Supreme Court. I graduated from law school in 1986, live in Franklin, Tennessee, and I'm happy to be in public service.
I'm Connie Clark, member of the Tennessee Supreme Court. I live in Franklin. I'm celebrating 40 years in the law and have been a member of this court since 2005 and was chief 2010 through 2012.
My name is Holly Kirby. I'm a justice on the Tennessee Supreme Court. I'm from Memphis, and I served for many years on the Court of Appeals before Governor Haslam appointed me to the Supreme Court.
My name is Roger Page. I'm from Jackson, Tennessee, in the western part of the state, and I'm celebrating my 35th year in the law and my 21st year as a judge. And I'm happy to be on this court, and as the newest member, I enjoy working with all my colleagues.
And I'm Sharon Lee. I'm a justice on the Tennessee Supreme Court. I'm from Madisonville, Monroe County. I practiced law there for 26 years and then served on the Court of Appeals for 4 years, and I've been on this court for the past 10 years. And I think I join with my colleagues in saying we all enjoy serving on the Tennessee Supreme Court, and it's a great honor.
I think it's important for our Scales Project to come here to Boys State because Boys State is a true lesson in civics in our state. They also, as a part of that, it's important that they learn about the judicial branches, one of the 3 independent branches of government. What better way for them to learn about the judicial branch of government than to have the Tennessee Supreme Court come here? They see real cases argued by real lawyers and decided by real judges. That gives them a first-hand view of what happens, what we have, what we decide. We also will provide written opinions for the cases that they hear, so they will get to see the result of those cases. We don't think there's any better way than first-hand viewing of the court in action for them to get a great civics lesson about the judicial branch of government in the state of Tennessee.
Why is it important for the boys to learn about law and our legal system? In today's polarized environment, it's very important for young people to understand how the legal system works. They see transparency. They see both sides make their most vigorous argument. And the aim of the court system is to seek both truth and justice. They see judges as professional neutrals looking for truth and justice, weighing both sides and reaching a reasoned decision that is fair and just in each case.
I'll add just one thing about why boys need to understand the legal system, and that is that law is written and it looks beautiful on paper, but when applied to unique facts of any case, the outcome can be very different. And I think it's very important for our new citizens, those who are about to vote and those who will be the leaders of the next generation, to understand that difference and to understand that it's important for the laws to encompass everything and to take into account where possible unique circumstances that can exist.
And I would add, as a former trial judge, I think it's very important for these young people, young men, to see this process, whether they want to be attorneys or not, because someday they may be summoned for jury duty, and I want them to understand the process and be willing to participate when that time comes.
Well, the advice I would give them would be to go back and get involved in their community, learn about the issues in their community. I hope they understand that government exists to help people with their problems. So I just would hope civic engagement would be the message.
Wonderful.
And perhaps be inspired to serve in public service, whether it's a judge or a legislator or in some other capacity. There are many ways to serve: school board, county commission, many things like that. I want to say how I was so impressed with how attentive they were. They seemed so interested. There was no fidgeting. I didn't see anybody have a cell phone out looking at it or anything like that. So I thought that was they would be commended for that.
Well, and it's an honor to be selected to attend Boys State. So these parents already have done a great job, and these young men have done a great job just to be here. So hopefully when they go back, that will be even better. They might get up earlier. They might make their beds better. They may have learned some life skills in addition to the need for civic engagement.
I think the parents should be proud. They should be proud that they have leaders. They have developed the leaders that are here during this time. they also need to stay diligent in helping them to become the true leaders of the next generation.
And I want parents, I want to say thank you to parents, and I want them to understand how important it is for them to have done what it's taken to get young men to this point and to this position of leadership. And I want their sons to understand how much they've done, and that you don't get anywhere, you don't succeed in leadership at any age without the support of those around you, family and friends who love you. Continue to work on that together and continue to appreciate that assistance when you receive it.